Hey my friends, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my kitchen. I'm super excited about today's video because it is a collaboration and it's hosted by Tiffany over at Small Town 6 and Jessica over at Jessica Myros. They have put together an awesome group of ladies to create for you a ton of meal ideas using the Crockpot. I will have a link or a playlist down in the description box where you can see all of these awesome ladies' Crockpot ideas that you're gonna make sure you wanna try. So at the end of the video, go to the playlist and check out all of their ideas. It's fall, it's getting cool, so it's the perfect time for a Crockpot meal. So let's go ahead and get started making this meal. I have these hamburger patties I think I'm going to use. I also have some carrots that I used in a meal last night, so I think I'm going to use those. And then I have some onions. I'm just gonna put them all in the crock pot. So let's see what happens. Jessica over at Jessica Myros is a mom to two boys that are 18 months apart. And she has a lot of real life experience on her channel. She has a lot of motherhood. She has wellness videos, homemaking content, cooking, grocery hauls, things like that. So make sure you check out her channel. Tiffany over at Small Town 6 is mom to 4 kids, and on her channel you are going to find a variety of things, cleaning routines. You're going to see grocery hauls, DIYs, cooking, so make sure you check out her channel as well. Okay, so I have my hamburger patties in here and they are frozen, but I'm gonna be cooking this for about 4 to 5 hours on high. If I see that it's kind of getting more done, I'll turn it on low. But anyway, I am gonna go ahead and add my chopped carrots, and I like for my carrots to be really done and really soft, so that's why I'm adding them now. I'm gonna add my onions. One flew out. Then for my seasonings, actually first, I have this beef base that I got from, I think, Sam's, that I mixed with some water to make my beef broth. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in. I'll probably add a little more water, but anyway, I'm gonna add a packet of onion soup mix on top. Then I'm gonna add some garlic, and we like it flavorful, so plenty of garlic. Then I love using this Cavender's in my food. It's a Greek seasoning, but I add it to a lot of stuff. And I don't know, I just like the way it gives extra flavor. Then, hold on, forgot my pepper. All right, I'm gonna add pepper. And what else? I'm gonna add some of this, hold on, brown gravy mix, because it just kind of thickens up the juice. So add some of that. Then let me get a little more water. And I'm just gonna pour this rest of this on top. And that's some of that beef base that didn't dissolve. But anyway, I'm gonna cook this on high for about 4 to 5 hours. I turned it down on low probably about an hour ago, I guess. And so this is what it looks like. But now I was hoping my carrots would cook a little more, but anyway, what I'm gonna do now is I want there to be like a thicker gravy. So I'm just gonna make a slurry. I'm gonna take some of the gravy or the juice from the crock pot, and I'm gonna put it in here and add some flour, mix it up real good, and then add it back to the crock pot, and that will thicken it up and make a nice little gravy for the rice that I'm making on the side. I have the slurry made, so I'm just gonna add it back to the crock pot. Make sure it's mixed in well. Cover it back up, and it has about 45 minutes left. So I'm just gonna let it finish cooking for about 45 minutes, and then it will be time to eat. I made some jasmine rice to go with this meal. And let me just say, if you have not had jasmine rice before, do yourself a favor and go buy some, because it is honestly the best thing ever. Like, it is so good. All right, give me some carrots. Mess here, and give me a little bit of gravy, rice. But yeah, jasmine rice has so much flavor. But anyway, this is what's for dinner. Before we move into the dessert portion of the video, I want to remind you to, after this video, go to the description box below and you will see a playlist of all of the awesome women that are part of this collaboration, and they have wonderful crockpot ideas for you as well. So make sure to go check them out after you finish this video. But now let's see what's for dessert. I decided I would add a little crockpot dessert in for good measure. And all you need for this is a box of chocolate cake mix, a box of chocolate pudding, a cup of water, 3/4 cups of oil, 4 eggs at room temperature, 2 cups of sour cream, and 1 cup of chocolate chips, but I bought these semi-sweet chunks. So I will show you how to make it. Okay, I've never made this cake before, but it sounded so good. It's called a chocolate pudding cake, but it sounded so good when I came across the recipe. I figured I had to try it. Super easy to make. You just add your cake mix into a bowl. You basically add your first 6 ingredients: the cake mix, the pudding mix. You add the 1 cup of water. You add 3/4 cups of the oil. You add your 4 room temperature eggs. This is a 2-cup container, 16-ounce container. So you add your 16 ounces of sour cream. And then you just stir it up real good. Okay, I have this mixed real well, and now you're gonna fold in a cup of the chocolate chips or chocolate chunks, as I decided on, and just make sure those are well blended. Now Now my chunks are well blended, so it is time to add the batter into, I sprayed my crock pot, so I'm just gonna add this in, and it calls for you to cook it for 6 to 8 hours on low. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna turn it, I'm gonna cover it, I'm gonna turn it on, and we shall see how good this tastes. I can't wait. The cake is done, and we ate the cake straight out of the crock pot. I mean, like as soon as it was done, we dished it up and put some ice cream on it and we ate it. But I will say it was very spongy, very moist, very fluffy. But I will say I think I liked it better after it had been turned off and sat there for a little bit and kind of wasn't quite as fluffy, because you actually could taste more of the chocolate chips. So the next time I make it, I will definitely finish letting it cook. I'll probably turn it over onto a platter and let it sit for a minute, because once I did that, it was really very good. Once again, I would like to thank Tiffany and Jessica for hosting this collab, and make sure when you go to not only their videos, but all the videos in the playlist, make sure to tell them I sent you. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. If you like home decor, home organization, meal ideas, shopping hauls, then this is the place for you. Don't forget to leave your comments below. If you do subscribe, click the bell button, because it lets you know every time I upload a new video. And don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. I will see you next time. Bye.